Assalamu alaikum students. Today is 30th April, Thursday, and today you know that we have to conduct our weekly test. So are you ready for that? Alright, then come on, let's take out your notebook. Alright, you have to prepare your notebook. As you can see in the video, you have to write down the day, Thursday, 30th April 2020, test, topic, suffixes, and write down the statement. Add the suffix y to the following, draw a straight margin line, and these are the words: fluff, fun, leaf, bend, snow. The words are given here, as you can see that, and here you have to write down by adding the suffix y. आप यहाँ पे ये words में y add करके इसको suffix को यहाँ पे add करने के बाद जो words आप form करेंगे उनको आपने इस blank में write करना है, right? So after completing this, you have to fill up the index. Alright, how will you fill up your index? By writing down the date, 30th April 2020, suffix 5 marks. You are attempting this test for 5 marks. So that's how you will fill up your index, and make sure that your notebook presentation, your work presentation should be very fine and proper. As I have received some of the tests and students have not mentioned, the topic and the statement. They have not written statement properly. So make sure you are writing very properly and very neatly. Alright students, now we are going to practice our comprehension skill. So for practicing this, all you need to do that, you have to read the comprehension passage, you have to skim and scan the text for finding the answers of the given questions. You have to skim and scan the test. It means कि आपने उस question का answer find out करने के लिए उस passage को repeatedly scan करना है, उसको read करना है, and then you can find out the answer of given questions. Alright, this is the worksheet, so let's read out the passage first. One day an apple said to a banana, "You are shaped like the moon." The banana said, "Yes, I know, and I am also the same color as the moon." The apple said, "I'm bright red. Some of my family are green and some are yellow like you. When people eat me, it makes a crunchy sound. That's because I'm hard." The banana said, "When people eat me, it doesn't make any sound. That's because I'm so soft. We are both fruits. We both taste nice. And we are both healthy foods," said the apple and banana together. Alright, and one more thing students, you have to write down your answer in complete sentence. आपने अपने answers को full sentence में write करना है. Do not write one word answer. And make sure कि जिस tense में आपसे question पूछा जाए, you have to answer in the same tense. For example, let's read the first question and then we will scan the text for finding the answer. Alright, which fruit is shaped like the moon? Which fruit is shaped like the moon? You can highlight or underline or color the answers in the passage. Yes, of course, banana. So you will write down the banana is shaped like moon. Which fruit can be red, green, or apple? Yes. Now let's read the passage again and we will be skimming and scanning. Right, apples. Apple is the fruit that can be green, red, or yellow. The apple can be red, green, and yellow. Then third question is, why do apples make a crunchy sound when you eat them? Alright, you will find the answer, you will scan the text. Alright, yes, that's because apple is hard. So you will write your answer in present tense. It is hard, so that's why it makes a crunchy sound when you eat them. What is the same about apples and banana? That's our question 4. Yes, what is the same thing? What is the quality in common in banana and apple? What do they have a common quality? Yes, that's because both are fruits and both are healthy foods. Both are fruits and both are healthy foods. Alright, so this is the skill we have practiced, and you have to write down the answer of question number 3 and 4 in your notebooks. So it's time to look at the diary. Weekly test conducted and practice comprehension skill by writing questions and answer in notebook. Yes children, you have to write down the questions and answers in your English notebook. Make sure that you will not write this passage. आप ये passage write नहीं करेंगे अपनी notebook पे, इसको आप ऐसे ही read करेंगे. आप सिर्फ questions and उनके answers write करेंगे अपनी notebook पे. Once again, I'm repeating, the skills which you need to focus on. You have to read the paragraph and you have to skim and scan the text provided the information. You have to read that and then you need to read the question, और आप उस question के answer के लिए scanning करेंगे उस passage की और उसमें से answer find करेंगे. And जिस tense में आपसे question पूछा जा रहा है आप उसी tense में answer write करेंगे. For example, अगर क्वेश्चन आपसे प्रेजेंट में पूछा जा रहा है तो आप आंसर भी प्रेजेंट में राइट करेंगे. एंड यू विल राइट फुल सेंटेंस आंसर. ऑलवेज राइट योर आंसर्स इन फुल सेंटेंसेस. वन वर्ड आप आंसर राइट नहीं करेंगे. सो दैट्स हाउ यू विल प्रैक्टिस योर कॉम्प्रीहेंशन skill at home. All right, thank you very much. Look after yourself. Stay home, stay safe.